Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free piano app with real piano sound and MIDI input or output option for Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store to search for one application named as MIDI keyboard. Just search this application and you can see on the second list MIDI keyboard. Just tap on it. So just tap on install. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface, right? So just click on allow. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So now you can directly play. So let me increase the volume firstly. So you can just drag it. So you can drag this. So you can just drag this line to change the position. So above you can see your velocity. You can just increase or decrease this velocity also just by rotating. Now you can see here, and you can see here this keyboard or the piano application supports for MIDI input or output. So you can see here, so I'm not been attached or connected with any MIDI devices. So if you connect your Android smartphone with your MIDI devices, then it will show up here. So you can use the output also. So right now it's showing none, and you can see here on the right top corner settings. Just tap on it. Now under the settings you will see enable sound, and you can see a key width. So here you can increase or decrease the keyboard layout. So if you want a very large size, you can just select it, and if you go back you can see here the keypads or the keys of this keyboard size gets increased. So you can make it smaller also just by going to the settings, and you can just click on this key width, and you can use a small one if you want to use a small one. So you can see the keys become smaller in size. So I will keep it in the medium right now, and you can see your keyboard scrolling. Here you can select 2 keys, 3 keys, 4 keys, maximum up to 7 keys, and below you can see your levels on the first note of each octave, and below you can see music notations. You can enable octave numbering and colored key labels and MIDI true. So these are the options available inside the settings. So it's a very basic, not too highly complicated, but very useful also, since it supports MIDI input and output also, and the sound is really good. So let me play. So you can just drag this line, and you can, so in my opinion I think this is one of the best free piano app with real piano sounds and with MIDI input and output option for Android smartphones, that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.